Hello, my name is Isai Vinci and I am coming from Velcheri, and I was lucky enough to get a course in iOS, Python and Java. First of all, Java classes were good and management were giving me some additional classes for that, and I soon started Python. And while studying Python, I learned a lot of new things, why Python is become famous or something like that. And I went for iOS, and in iOS I learned actually how iOS apps are developed and why iOS is more demanding than Android. And I started learning the loops and everything regarding iOS, and that's all. And management was supportive, and I am lucky enough to learn a lot of new things here, and I am very grateful for this. That's all.